So hi guys, I hope you are doing good so far. So in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the application which we can use to improve our English communication, and it is free as well. So in this video, we are going to discuss how the application is working and what are the benefits of the uh, application. So I'll just quickly start the screen recording of my phone, and then we'll just log in into the application. So let me just uninstall everything first, and we'll start again. So I wanted to show you from scratch, so how we have to do it. So first you have to go here and just type hello talk. It is one of the best application where you can where you can learn communication, and also you can speak to like-minded people. Like everyone who is using this app, they are mainly focusing on learning some of the other languages. So this will give you an edge. For example, many people choose to go for classes where they are practicing communication. So here this application helps you to talk with like-minded people. So you don't need to attend any classes to speak and practice English. So you can directly use this application, and also it is free. So I'll try to I already had an account, but I never used it so much. So I'll see like what are the things in here, and how you can do it as well. So we'll show you some of the things which are used in this pamphlet. So it says talk to the world, practice around 160 languages, and connect with 60 million native speakers. Chatting is there, so they have built in multiple learning tools. So you can also connect with someone you are really interested in, and then you can go on and chat, make friends and chat, create a voice room, learn languages in live stream, share moments with each other. So, without delay, we'll quickly open the application. Once the application is loaded, it's asking me to log in into my account. So, I already have an account, as I said to you earlier. So, I'll just quickly go and log in with my Google account. So, if you don't have, you have to make the account. Yeah, first once the account is made, uh, after the account is made, it is asking me to so one second, I think my Wi-Fi is not working properly. There is some problem, it seems. So I'll just open me. Yeah. So I am already logged in. So once you are logged in, it's like they are taking the streak and all. So I am not going to use any of the tools, because I think we are very good to go with the AI deep plan which we have made. So I am not using any of the application, any of the pros thing. So here they have lots of things like hello words, live classes, pro partners. So I'll just open my HelloTalk application. So it says all courses, translate to see who is online, connect. So it is asking me to connect over here. So you can see over here that Mia, for example, the this lady on the third, she is from I don't know which country flag is this. So she is learning, she is an English lady. So she speaks English very fluently, and if you can see properly in Hindi, it is written that she wants to learn Hindi. So you can connect with like-minded people, and if the vibes matches, so you will most probably end up talking with them, and you can help them in speaking in what they want to learn, and in the return you can learn while speaking in English. I would recommend avoid all this, and will go directly to the voice room. This is my first time using the voice room, so So I tried once, so I did not like it's very difficult to connect in and join, like for a new person, for people like me who are very shy. So what I'll do is, just for the sake, I want to connect into some of the group, some of the live stream, and will. So as you can see here, people are already talking. There are one, two, three, four, five, six people, five people, and there are a few people who are on the waiting list. They are able to hear, but I have to request to join inside. I'll try to join in and quickly come out as well. So it's like I'm not very confident in using this. Maybe in the next time I'll try to once I become a little bit confident, I'll try to join again. So I'll click. Maybe I won't be able to try. So most probably I'll leave it. So if you click in here and if you click in this place, so then you can join in the group and you can directly speak with them, so you can understand like people were from different places. So this is how it works. There are pretty much there are better groups as well. So I'll try to come in here where less people are here. I'll just connect.
Oh, 3.5. Did you wake up early or you didn't swim?
So I've already added a request so that they can accept it. Once I'm connected, I'm not going to tell.
Not true.
Hi guys, good morning. Hi Jasmine, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm also doing great. And what is your name? Sorry, I am not able to pronounce you. Hi brother, where are you from?
Sorry?
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
And the other guy is Zoexo.
Joe?
Zoe. Hi Zoe, how are you?
Amazing. You believe it?
Sorry? Yeah, correct. I'm from India. What are you guys up to? Yeah, yeah. So what are you guys up to?
Well, just, I don't know. I wanna go to flower garden or something today. To, you know.
What do you do,
Chill.
Jasmine? Are you a student for English learning, or how's it?
Yeah.
You, oh, engineer. I see like currently where I work, I see lots of people from Japan. They come to India for playing golf. You guys like golf a lot?
No.
Oh, I see, like in my place, there are lots of Japanese people who come and play golf over here.
Interesting.
Yeah. Hi, Kevin.
I'm Bobby.
Delicious. Hello, what's up, people? Grüß Gott.
So I'm so sorry. I was feeling a bit awkward and using this application, talking to people like this. But eventually, I have to start if I want to start the communication. I last time when I was connected, I met one of the like-minded people. He was very nice. So most probably, I'll have to give some time, and then only I can make some good real friends over there. So once we can connect with them properly, maybe we can have a real discussion, but we need to give some time on that. So I think we are good to go, and I showed you the application. It is free, and we can connect and we can talk with people. They are also, like, I saw you one of the profile. So she was a lady from Japan. She's very fluent in Japanese, and she's learning English. And you must have heard her talking as well. She was talking flawlessly. So and this is what the application is. It is free and easy to use. Just you need to get a hang of it. Once you are like if once you get few of the words, just try to hop in inside the group. It's for our good, so don't feel very awkward and shy. So now what I'm going to do is, like, I'm using the camera. I don't want to take lots of stuffs and upload it over internet. So I'll be using it on my personal time whenever I'm free, and I can easily open the application, connect with someone, and maybe there is a potential that people who are trying to speak English, they might connect with you, and once they find you interesting, they will for sure, we can you can have a real connection. You can connect over WhatsApp, and then you can have a calling or something like that, which can eventually help building a communication partner. So so this is like something very premium which you can use, and this can help us grow as well. So thank you for being with me, being connected with me for so long, and we'll upload this video soon. And till then, goodbye, take care, bye.